Please use the provided template to mark the locations for the line set wall hole and the mini split bracket. Please use the provided screws to securely attach the mini split bracket to the wall. Please use a leveler to ensure the bracket is correctly aligned. Please route the line set, drain hose, and electrical wiring through the wall opening. Securely mount the mini split unit onto the bracket. Please tape the drain hose and line sets together for a neat and organized installation. Use zip ties to secure the electrical wires around the taped line sets and drain hose. Position the outdoor condenser unit in its designated location. Remove the cover of the electrical compartment and valve compartment. Remove the valve covers. Connect the unit line set to the condenser line set and secure it firmly. If available, use a digital torque wrench to verify that the line sets are securely tightened. Tighten down according to the specifications provided above. Securely fasten the line set to the outdoor condenser. Remove the cover of the electrical compartment. Start by connecting the ground wire, green first, followed by each numbered wire, black, white, and yellow, to their corresponding terminals on the indoor unit's electrical block. Connect the ground wire, green, first, followed by each numbered wire, black, white, and yellow, to their corresponding terminals on the electrical block of the outdoor condenser. Ensure the outlet box is powered off before proceeding. First, connect the ground wire, green, followed by the line, black, and neutral, red wires on the outdoor condenser. Ensure that you are using the correct adapter and securely connect it to the outdoor condenser unit. Ensure that you have the appropriate vacuum equipment. Connect the hose from the outdoor condenser unit to the gauge. Properly connect the hose from the vacuum to the gauge. Open the valves on the gauge and activate the vacuum. Monitor the micron reading closely and close the valves once it reaches 350. Turn off the vacuum pump. Restore power to the outlet. Activate the mini split unit and set it to the lowest cooling setting. Allow a few minutes for the outdoor condenser fan to initiate. Use a service wrench to gradually open the high side, top valve. Monitor the gauge closely, as the readings will decrease into the negative range when opening the high side valve. After opening the high side valve, promptly proceed to open the low side, bottom valve. After opening the high side valve, monitor the gauge closely as the readings will increase, which is expected. Congratulations, your Della Mini Split unit installation is complete.